Hey everyone, thank you so much for all the sweet comments that you guys left. I was so happy to be back. So I want to do a Valentine series and I wanted to do the 14 days Valentine, but I don't want to commit to 14 days because I've had such a problem kind of getting to upload, which I want to get more into. But I'm going to kind of keep these projects really simple. So if you guys are on board with that, I am too, but I will do some flip books and things like that. I'm just kind of waiting on some paper. So today what I'm going to be doing is this kind of like, I seen a printable on Pinterest with like a clipboard and I was like, I can kind of recreate that. So what I wanted to do was like a clipboard card insert. I guess you could make it a card. I had asked on Instagram some fun projects you'd like to see for Valentine's Day. So if you're not on Instagram, I got a lot of like easy cards, like little flip book pockets, candy things. So if you have a suggestion, leave it. But obviously this is really easy. It's nothing crazy, just giving measurements for you guys. And what I did is, this is perfect for single-sided paper or double-sided. It just depends how easy or hard you want to do this. And I'm using a file folder to, I have a whole box of these. And I'm like, I always plan to make like a file folder album, but never get to it. So I just kind of cut this apart. But just an example, like if I just did it with scrapbook paper, it would kind of look like that. So really just depends what kind of look you want. All right, enough babbling. Let me get to it. So as I said, we're going to be using, so I cut out a file folder, but you can use a file folder, you can use cardstock, scrapbook paper, or even printables to do this. And it can be single or double-sided. So this is a 4x6, just so you know. And all I'm going to do is basically just fold it in half, or you can score it at the 3-inch score right here. It's a little cloudy today, so hopefully the view is still okay. So 6-inch score, and I smudge my nail polish on there because it looks so bad. You guys know I'm not like the most up to keep on my nails and things like that because I don't really enjoy going to the salon. I think nails are so cute and I appreciate it, but I don't enjoy it. To me, it's more of a chore to actually go, and I don't like chemicals all over my hand all the time. Anyway, I'm going to just corner around this. And once I'm done with that, I also like to do this side right inside here and corner around that too. But it's just so simple, but it just turns out so cute. You could even make this a little gift card holder if you want, like if you seal this up. And I think it would look beautiful in like an album. You know how we just did basically this thing, but if you had like a bigger album, you could even just open it and have these cute little, like, how pretty, right? You can make this pretty little insert in here, and it could just be like a memory, a photo, whatever you want. People always ask me like, what do you do with these things? Those are just some fun ideas. All right, so we got that. That was easy. And now we're just covering the pages. So I'm going to, you can use, I only used 3. I left the back blank, but you could do 3 or 4. So they're just going to be 2 3/4 by 3 3/4. And I have 3 of them here, I think. Oh, here's one here. Okay, I have 4 of them just in case. So I did corner around all of these, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm doing like 2 at the same time, so it's not so tedious. Anyways, did you guys watch the awards for the Golden Disc Award? It was so much fun. I don't really watch stuff like that, but I kind of been watching it, and I'm like, wow, Jenny put on a show. All right. So I've got that song in my head, and while I'm crafting, I'm not like a big K-pop fan either. I just kind of, I mean, I like K-pop, but I don't listen to it all day, if you know what I mean. I'll just hear it when it comes on. All right, glue. Let me just unstop this. Do I have any K-pop fans here? I bet I do. I did not unclog this before I filmed. And you guys know I'm too lazy to edit, so just bear with me. gosh, it's stuck. Okay, so let me just glue this down. I gotta get this done before Bandit gets up. We know how that can be. All right, and I'm just going to, oh my gosh, you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to ink it a little bit. Oh, I am just not with it, you guys. I'm trying to get in the groove and make it look smooth, but it's not happening that well. I gotta act like a pro. I've been doing this for a while, right? It's actually been some time since I've been consistent. I kind of looked, I'd say I've been consistent for about 4 or 5 years. But before that, it was just kind of random. I was more on Instagram. So if you've been following me since that back then wow. We've come a long way with crafting. Sometimes I look at my older projects and I cringe. I even look at some of my newer projects and I cringe, but you know. And I liked, this was actually the packaging to this, but I loved it, so I just cut it out. It was like in the dye portion of it. Okay, I'm not going to do the back. I'm just going to do these pages here, because that's kind of what I did. So I'm going to do that. And pop that on here. And just pop this one here. You could even make this like a cute little side pocket if you want, you know, like just leave that open. It's really up to you. Sometimes things are just so simple. Sometimes I overthink everything, and you can have a really cute project just not doing much. But I guess the thing is, if I'm on Pinterest and I see something that I can do, I don't necessarily go to the video. I can figure it out on my own. So that's why I don't really like to do too simple, because I do want people to join me. And if they see the picture, like, oh yeah, I can just do that. Which I'm sure there's people that are going to do that. But hopefully you guys enjoy my company a little bit. So there's that. Okay, and you want to put that on first, because if you want your clip to look like it's clipping, then that's why. So I am using my punch, but you don't have to. You can use any die, anything you have that looks kind of like a file tab. So I'm just going to take one. I also thought about this, like if you put 2 of these tabs, because if you hang this, it's going to be like open. But if you put 2 of them, like actually the printable was, and you string it, how cute would it be for like a little gift card holder hanging on a tree, or Valentine's Day and all that. All right, so there's my thing. And I'm just going to distress this a bit. And I'm using the vintage photo, by the way. I always link everything, but sometimes you never know. I say that, and then someone will find something I didn't put and say, where is this? So I don't want to be a liar. All right, so once you do that, then I took a little punch. Mine happens to be 5/8 of an inch, but you can use any. And I just grab a circle and grab this and hopefully punch it in the middle. I don't know why my punch has been doing that. It's been leaving like a little scrap in there. I don't know if it's always done that or something I just noticed, but going to do that. Maybe it's old. That thing is like probably half a decade old. Okay, and then I just take a little bit of glue right here. And just kind of eyeball it, and I'm going to pop it there. I guess you could put it halfway, or you can put it like that. So it looks like that. And I want to make this a little more distressed, but I'm just going to leave this. And then we're just going to like clip it on. And you could even add some, let me show you, like to make it even look more of a clippy, you could even like do something like that, just kind of layer it up, which I want to add some more on the top. But for now, let me just get this clip on. Did I even get any glue? My glue is struggling because I need to really unclog it a bit better. All right. And once it's on there, then I just kind of and make it a little bit more vintage. So it looks good. And I want it to look a little Valentine's-y. I don't really have Valentine's paper right now, but I have this. So I don't know if this line was for Valentine's Day or not, but I've been using it for that. Okay. And hold on, I had this, and I don't know if I wanted to layer it. Let me see something. I guess actually, shoot, that's gonna dry. I want to layer this just a little bit. I love this little die cut, and I went to go order one recently, but it was so much, and I was like, okay, I'm not gonna get that. It was a little too much, and I don't like putting things on too pricey on my channel, because there's nothing worse than putting something up and someone not being able to buy it. So I'm gonna skip it until I find a cheaper one. All right, and because that's the worst for me. Like if I follow some influencer or something and they're like, oh, you want these pants? And then I click and it's like, oh, it's $250. I'm like, okay, I don't want it that bad. But people are buying them. I guess I don't really need that because... yeah, I guess because I have this, I was going to kind of do something like that. I kind of wish I put this down a little lower, but that's all right. And then I like something here. Do I have anything? Some of these French words I don't know. I have a few of my French followers. Maybe they can let me know. I think this says post something, but... maybe I can just add this here. Hopefully that makes sense in French. And if not, I'm so sorry. There we go. Oh, it is crooked. Okay, and so for this little portion here, we had done these, and you guys know I like to incorporate things. So when I did these fun little things, I just actually took off the clip of one of the projects and I just added it here because I thought it's so pretty. Because in here you could add tea, you could add a gift card, you could add money, you could add a picture, whatever you want. And you can add just a little thing on the bottom too. My desk is getting very messy right now. And remember how we did those vellum pocket, not vellum, we did acetate pockets with like a pocket card? How pretty, I just thought about it, would it be if we had a little acetate thing in here? And you could even like make a pocket. I wonder if I have one. Especially for those who didn't see that video. So you just take like a little piece of acetate, and I haven't, oh, please let this be the size I don't have to cut down. So can you guys see that? Oh my goodness, it's like almost perfect, but just a little short. But you could take it and make a pretty, especially if you sew, and you could just like add it so you can put some of your little, it's not even glued things, and you can like add a little picture in there or whatever. But I'm not going to make a glue mess now because my glue is acting funky. But anyway, so that is it. This is it. It's so simple, and I think you guys wanted something like this, so it's kind of a journal thing, it's kind of a card, it's just something really easy. So I'm going to definitely be doing a few of these. I have a few different kind of really simple projects like this. So all right guys, hope you enjoyed it, and see you soon.